If you've ever wanted to move your Chrome bookmarks to another browser, back them up, or share them with someone else, this video is going to help. Today I'm showing you how to share and export bookmarks from Google Chrome in just a few simple steps. This is one of the easiest ways to save your bookmarks as a file, and it's especially useful if you're switching devices, creating a backup, or sending your bookmarks to another computer. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software how-to guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three vertical dots. This opens the main Chrome menu where you can find a lot of browser settings and tools. From that menu, hover over Bookmarks and Lists, then click Bookmark Manager. This will open a new tab that shows all of your saved bookmarks in one place. Now that you're in the Bookmark Manager, take a look at the top right corner of the Manager panel. You'll see another three-dot menu there, usually located just under the main Chrome address bar. Click that menu to open the Bookmark Manager options. From the drop-down, choose Export Bookmarks. This is the option that lets you save all of your bookmarks into a file. Chrome will now ask you where you want to save the file on your computer. Choose a location that's easy to remember, like your desktop or downloads folder. You can also rename the file if you want to make it easier to identify later. Once everything looks good, click Save. At this point, your bookmarks have been exported as a standard HTML file. That means the file can be opened, shared, or imported into another browser later on. If you want to share your bookmarks with someone else, you can simply send them that HTML file through email, cloud storage, or any file sharing method you prefer. If you're moving to a new browser, this same file can usually be imported during the setup process. So just to recap, the process is open Chrome, go to the Bookmark Manager, click the three-dot menu in the Manager, choose Export Bookmarks, and then save the HTML file wherever you want. That's all it takes. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tutorials. And if you want more Chrome tips, bookmark management tricks, or browser how-to videos, make sure to check out the next lesson. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.